Hare Krishna students, if you want to follow my class for now or for afterward, so that you have to do only one work, that is you have to press that subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Hare Krishna everyone. Hare Krishna. Please open your Sanskrit book, page number 31. Last day we finished up to exercise 3. Now today we are going to start question number 4. So please open your book, page number 31, and let's start writing. See, write plural form of the following. That means whatever name are given, you have to write the plural form. Plural means bahuvachan. So bahuvachanam you have to write. Varsha bahuvachanam, varsha, varsho, varsaha. So varsaha. Menoka bahuvachanam, menokaha. Lata bahuvachanam, lataha. Disha bahuvachanam, dishaha. Oje, oja, oje. That means this is dvivachan already. Now we have to do the plural form. Oja, oje, ojaha. See, ojaha. Balika bahuvachanam, balikaha. Now go to next page. See, separate words according to their gender. That means there are few words you have to separate according to gender. This side you have to write Punglinga Sabdaha and this side Strilinga Sabdaha. So let's see. First one, Meghaha. This is masculine gender. Oja. Oja definitely Akimatra, that's why feminine gender. Baloko. Now you know Balokaha, Baloko, Balokaha. So that means Baloko, Punglingo, Divachanam. But it is Punglinga, that's why you have to write this side only. Baloko. Shala, that means Kaksha or Griha we can say. Like Randhan Sala, we can say Pakshala. So, Akimatra, that's why you have to write here. Nouke. Nouke, Nouka, Nouke. Feminine gender, Nouka. And Nouke Divachan. So, feminine gender Divachan, see Nouke. Briksho, Brikshaha, Briksho. Divachan, masculine gender Divachan. So, here. Gajaha, Punglinga. Darpanaha, Punglinga. Ramaha, Punglinga. Kako, Kakaha, Kako. Punglinga Divachan. Kako. Khagaha, Khagaha, Khago, Khagaha. So, masculine gender Bahuvachan. So, Khagaha. Now, Balika, feminine gender, Balika. Vidya, feminine gender, Bale, Bala, Bale. So, Strilinga, that means feminine gender, Divachan. Bale, feminine gender. Now, Gyanodaika. See, there are two gap, but we are having only one, and it is feminine gender, and it is little big. That's why in middle I wrote. I join both the dash and I write here in the middle. You can also do like this. Okay, because it is big and we no need that last one, so we can join. Gyanodaika. That means you can say teacher or Adhyapika. They are also giving knowledge, na? So Gyanodaika. Not only teacher and Adhyapika, Gyanodaika means those who are giving knowledge. Sometimes our mothers also giving to us good knowledge, am I right? So that time she is also our Gyanodaika. Gyanodaika definitely should be feminine gender, and if she is giving knowledge to us, then we can say her Gyanodaika. Now next, number 1. Look at the pictures and write their number. See, this is Bishayo Sangbardhana Goti Vidhayo. That means little few extra things it is given here. So look at the pictures, see the pictures and write their numbers. Number, that means Bachan. Which Bachan you have to write. No need to write the name. You have to write their Bachan. Ekavachan, Divachan, Bahuvachan, like this you have to write. Now see, many Sukaha are there. That's why it is Bahuvachanam. See, 2 boys are there. That means Balo. That's why Dvivachanam. Now, many fruits are there. That means Phalani. Bahuvachanam. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 trees are there. That means 1, 2, 3. That means more than 2 called Bahuvachanam. Am I right? So, Brikshaha. That means Bahuvachanam. Now go to next one. Question number 2. Look at the pictures and write words by joining letters. That means you have to join the letter and you have to write the name by see the picture. First you have to see how. Always you have to remember that in consonant definitely there will be one vowel. That means in Vyanjan Varna definitely there will be one Swara Varna. In Sanskrit or in Bengali or in Hindi, definitely both these things are same in these three languages. But if we are separating the Swara Varna from the Vyanjan Varna, that time what we have to give? Halant in Vyanjan Varna. Without halant we cannot write that time if we already separate the Swara Varna. Now already see it is separated from Vyanjan Varna, that's why it is halant here. But see, this is Swara Varna, that's why no halant. But these two are Vyanjan Varna, that's why it is halant. So ha, ong, hong. When these two together, that means this Swara Varna already inside of this Vyanjan Varna, that's why no need to give halant. And this dot will come here. So ha, ong, hong. And sha, aha, shaha. These two also as same as like this. Ro, o, ro. Okay, see, halant in Vyanjan Varna. When these two together, no halant. Ro, o, ro, to, i, ti, ko, a, ka. Po, u, pu. Now see, two Vyanjan Varna, then one Swara Varna. So these three will be together. Sh, pa, then o. These three together, then soi, poi. Pushpa. Then my halant at the end. Pushpam. If after this there will be o, then you cannot give halant. But after this my halant, we are not getting any Vyanjan Varna. Sorry, any Swara Varna we are not getting. No Swara Varna. See, after my halant. So, we have to write as it is. Okay. Pushpam. That means flower. Now see, ko, o, ko. Again two Vyanjan Varna. Ko, sha, a. Ko and sha, it is together. Kshya. It is called kshya. In Bengali we are telling kshya. ক আর মূর্ধন্যস্বয়ে যোগ করলে আমাদের বেঙ্গলিতে কি হয়? ক্ষিয়। হোয়াট? ক্ষিয়, ক্ষিয়। এই যে আমরা ক্ষিয় এইভাবে লিখি, তাই না? ক্ষিয়। ইন সংস্কৃত দিস ইজ কল ক্ষিয় অ্যান্ড আকার। সো আ কি মাত্রা? কক্ষ্যা। কক্ষ্যা মিন্স ক্লাসরুম। নাও গো টু নেক্সট ওয়ান। মেক অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট পেয়ার। দ্যাট মিন্স proper pair you have to write. Okay, see, অনুজহ, অনুজা, বকহ, বকি, বকহ, then বকি. Write masculine gender this side, feminine gender this side. Okay, বকহ, বকি. Then পিতামহ, পিতামহী, পিতামহ, পিতামহী. অধ্যাপকহ, অধ্যাপিকা. This much only today's work.